Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna cover a new topic which is $1,000,000 question. How much money have I made through my Android app? After releasing it to Play Store, am I a millionaire now or I am broke? You will get this answer after watching this video till the end. And also, if you have an idea of building your own app and if you want to create an extraordinary app that you want to release it in Play Store, and you will get the idea of how much money you could also make and what are the different type of streams of income that you can generate through your Android app. I will also make sure you get the idea of it. In this video I will show the live earning pages of my Admob account, so there is no hidden stuff. I will show you directly which is not supported by Google or which is not supported by other developers to show the real earnings, but I'm ready to share it to you guys so that you get the real idea. Also, if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe to the channel because I'm gonna bring a new amazing stuffs every here and there, so don't forget to subscribe. So let's dive into this video. Let's go. And this is the Admob Google Admob page I'm about to show you. So you can see that my yesterday earning is $0.05 and my last month earning is $0.033 only. Or and this is not $3 million you were expected, but $0.33, which is 33 cents, and if you want to convert it, $0.33 is equal to 26.97 rupees, which you may say 30 rupees in the last month. So yeah, I'm not rich, but I can buy a cup of coffee from a footpath shop. So this is the fee of one cup of coffee. And don't and also one thing I have to show you, the metrics, right? This is important. You should know that how much are for the impressions. This is the main metrics, so I will explain it to you. That my estimated earning summary of the last 5 days is $0.05. My request is 269 ads, so this means that my app has requested 269 ads to the users, and impression means that 186 ads populated, and on it I have earned around my eCPM is $0.025, which means that on 1000 ads shown, how much money I will make. So on this point you can make a calculation. If you have a large user base, that you can really generate a decent amount of money. So let's say you have, okay, and I will show you that how much users have I got on this app, which is, so this is my app, this is my Google Play console, and this is the 547 active devices I have right now. So say on 500 active devices I have generated around $0.33, which is 30 rupees per last month. So I'll make a really quick calculation. Just hold on a second. So suppose you have 1,000 users. As in my case, I have 0.25 of eCPM, that is this. So this means on 1000 ads shown, you will earn 0.25 USD, right? So which if you multiply it to 80, then you get the amount of money. So 20 rupees on 1000 users. So suppose you have a app which is available in Play Store and daily active users are 10,000. So 10,000 active users means, suppose one users, you were showing the number of ads which is around 2. Suppose you were showing 2 ads per user, which is 20,000 ads shown in a particular day. So 20,000 ads shown divided by 1000 into 0.25 USD, which is 5 USD, and if you multiply it to 80, so you are making 400 rupees per day. So if you multiply it by 30, you are making 12,000 rupees from an app of 10,000 users, right? So which is about 2 ads per users, and if you like multiply it to suppose you are showing 4 ads to each user, so which counts to like around 25,000 rupees per month, you can earn it by around 10,000 users of your app. So you can make a decent amount of money, but my idea of this app was not that good. Only 500 active users were there. So my earning of the last month is to buy a cup of coffee. So this is from my end. So, and also now coming to the second part of this video, that what are the income streams that you can generate through your Android app. And this is not the only options to generate revenue through through Admob. I'm also gonna show you that this picture has been taken from the Quora, that a guy which is below 19 age has been earning, the amount you can see here is he earned $4.38 on the day, and the day previously 6.24, and the ended month, in the last month he earned $164, which is around 9 to 10,000 rupees in India. So that is nice of it. And now I'm gonna show you what are the income streams that you can get through your Android app. So the main stream that you have is ads, meaning the main monetization sources for an Android app, which is the easy part, is putting ads into your app, which I have already shown you right in the first part. And then the second is in-app purchases. So in the in-app purchases, you have you want to disable the ads to the users, so the user can purchase your subscription. That is one thing. Uh, you can make those purchases based on recurring, that means per month basis or yearly basis or one-time subscription. That is your call. And also you have affiliates. That is also another thing that you can add, which is adding the other affiliate links inside the app, so that the users can also buy products through your app directly. And also you have paid downloads as well, but this is not recommended highly, because users don't usually buy the apps without using it. So the tendency is to use free apps. So mainly the ads inside the ads, you also has the banner ads, interstitial ads, native ads. You will get to know about it when you try to implement your ad. Another article that is described more easily, that first in here is showing that using in-app purchasing, that I have already told you. Second is in-app advertising, that is also I have already shown you. And then try a subscription model for the application. That is also the case of like users don't want to see the ads, then you can give this subscription model. Like, and also some features or services you are offering to the users, like Netflix or Spotify are charging us. Then also another easier thing is the finding a sponsor for your application. Suppose you have a you can show that your app has a great future to someone which will likely to invest in your app or sponsor your app for their future partnership, for the future gains. So another thing you can, if you are clever enough, here is also written that if you are clever way of getting money. So this is a clever way. And also freemium, which is very really interesting. That freemium model is basically free plus premium, which is combined as a freemium. So some parts you are giving it free, and then you are charging like YouTube does nowadays. If you want to download a video, they will offer 240 till 360p. They will offer you to download it free. Then if you want to download the higher resolution of these videos, then you have to pay the premium. You have to buy the premium YouTube package. So this is the freemium model, and yeah, those are the main income sources that you can generate for your Android app. And this is nevertheless, this is not unlimited, but there's a huge potential. Still there's a huge market for your Android app, because if you make an app interesting or useful enough, then users will definitely gonna download it and use it. So it's your call if you have an idea. And also there are lots of examples of developers. They are getting, like, they're earning in $100,000, or they're earning in lakhs per month from their apps. So if you have an idea, don't lose hope. There are a huge market of it, because I'm focusing on something else in my career of the software development or Android development. So I'm not focusing really on earning money through my Android, through my ad revenue. So I haven't earned enough to show you a amazing earning numbers. But I hope you get the idea how you will earn it and how much you can really generate. And if you like the video, then please like and subscribe to the channel, and like to this and give it a thumbs up to this video. This motivates us to make this kind of videos more. Thank you. See you soon.